I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and today I have an unboxing of a mystery kit. I have a mystery kit, but it is not my mystery kit. My friend Blossom14 has agreed to let me unbox her mystery kit for you. She ordered this about a week ago. It is Mystery Kit Nature by Bradley Jackson, sold by Diamond Art Club. And her birthday was Saturday, and she got it Saturday, and she's been waiting patiently for this to be unboxed, and she's agreed to let me unbox it for you. So if you don't want to see anything to do with this mystery kit, just put an emoji and move on to the next video. I'm not going to get my feelings hurt. All right, you were warned. Ta-da! Look at the color palette. Oh, I just love the color palette. Do you like your colors? Do you like colors or do you like black and white?
I like colorful
She
stuff.
likes colorful stuff too. Yeah, I'm so glad they decided to do this so that we can get an idea of the color palette. I also like to watch sneak peekers that get a mystery kit, and they show the drills, because if the drills are more dark, I'm not going to order it. I want to see the drills before I order it, and most of the time the kit sells out before I even have a chance. You excited?
Yes.
This is your typical toolkit. You get baggies, the clear wax. She likes both the wax and the white, correct? And you get an extra, and you get the heart, and you get a nice thin multiplacer. I like the thin ones. I do in some kits. Sometimes you get those really thick ones. They're okay to place rounds with, but not so much squares. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Because they kind of push them. She's probably got a collection of toolkits too, just like I do. She probably has more. Here's the stuff. This is the mystery note. It just says you can show it on your personal social medias, but you cannot do any revealing of anything on the Diamond Art Club VIP Facebook group. But you are allowed to show it on your social medias, your personal social medias. That's just so you don't ruin the surprise. And again, if you don't want to see this mystery kit, Nature by Bradley Jackson, it's okay. You can look away. Do you want to open this, or do you want me to open this?
I kind of want to open it.
Go. Well, it's your kit.
Okay.
They can't see anything but the kit.
Okay. And it's bronze.
It's bronze. Oh, it's bronze. And it even says the heartbreaking word right there. But it's a cool card. It is a cool card. So it is bronze. And you know there won't be any color spoilers in this. There it is. It's all white. All white. And there is, oh my gosh, 82 colors.
I didn't look at it.
82, and it's got 2 ABs and 4 fairy dust. Girl, This is going to be so much fun. You're going to have a blast. As always, you get steps, tips, and tricks, and your QR codes to save money if you don't have the app. Please do that. Don't ever pay full price for Diamond Art Club's kits. There's always a discount code out there. And once you purchase one, go on the VIP group and use the group discount. All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Nice. We all know Diamond Art Clubs is. Okay, we're going to be doing the canvas. Look away, look away. Not as bright as I thought it would be. But it's still a nice color palette. A cinnamon roll, as Rosie calls it. And it's a nice size, guys. It's not really big. I mean, it's bigger than a small kit. I'd say it's a medium. Spoiler alert. And you can come over. Come look.
Okay.
Can you? I mean, I can't see any. I don't have an eye for this.
I see the flower is right there.
There's a flower.
Yeah. And then I also see a couple of birds as well.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, I see it. Spoiler.
Oops.
No, it's your kit, my channel. We're good. But I like that you can.
Ooh.
Have you ever done a mystery?
A little bit of a mystery kit.
You strictly have to go by code and how you kit it up. Because this is not going to give you any kind of clue on what color it is.
Definitely got to pay attention to the symbols.
Yes, and this has the gray perforated. Can see that. Let's see if you can see the gray. See the gray? And it's the perforated. Hear that? Not mine, so I don't want to go any further. And let's see those drills. Very nice. You excited? I am excited. And this isn't even my kit.
I'm probably going to start it, honestly, after my July kit I'm doing right now.
Are you working on the horse?
Yep.
She's participating in the Disney event. So we can see the colors better here. Oh, they're much better. All right, guys. You know the drill. It's going to be very noisy. So if you want to mute the sound and just watch us go through the colors, you can. Ready? Here we go. No particular order. Let's bring this down a little bit. Those are really nice colors. In the cinnamon roll, it looked darker.
It did.
But these are nice. They're nice colors. Let's... Now, in the... What's the word I'm looking for? To keep it a mystery, I'm not going to show you where the particular fairy dust drills, which I'm going to show you where the fairy dust drills go, but I'm not going to tell you what color it is, just to keep in the mystery fashion. Look, this is not my kit, so you might notice, guys, I think I'm going to be able to get it back in the bag. I don't know. Maybe not. But I do have a gallon baggie you can take home.
Oh no, it's good. I'll probably do it.
Perfect. Okay. So we've got 2 ABs, 4 fairy dust, and you really have to look. But here's an AB, just caught my eye. It's a diagonal line, and it's going to go right in here, whatever this is. It's not a diagonal line, sorry. It's a horizontal line, and it's going down here. That's where that AB goes. And then, of course, you have the little tiny square, which I always call the small circle, because you really can't tell it's a square till you look close. It's right in here. I think that's a flower. Doesn't that kind of look like a flower?
Yeah.
I think it's a flower. So I think that AB fairy dust is going to go there. And it's the white. I know that. And then we have the 90-degree angle with the circle in it. So it's a backwards 90-degree angle. Do you see where that goes? You really have to look because all the colors, all the grid fill are all the same. If I knew what color it is and I knew what the image was, I'd know where to look. But you really don't know where to look.
Yeah, no. It's going to be a mystery when I start putting the colors on.
I love them because even if you know what the image is, just completing it, it's like, oh, wow. I love doing a mystery. And I will unbox my mystery in the future. I see a lot of check marks, and the check mark is number 986, whatever color that is. I can't think off the top of my head what that color is. It's okay. We're not going to spoil anything. And then the letter A is fairy dust, the capital A. And I thought I seen a few. I see small A's. Now there's a capital A and there's also like this tent thing. Don't get confused.
Oh no.
I'll show you what I mean. There's a little tent, like you can see it right here. It's a triangle within a triangle. And if you look close, it looks like a capital A. But it is not. Here is the capital A. Right there. Right here. So you do have to take a double take sometimes to make sure. And you got to take your time and really look at it. So this is a 22-inch by 22-inch. It's a good size. I think that's a good size for any canvas because you're not doing it forever. and you'll be able to start another one.
I've been going a lot to smaller kits, honestly, like what I have right now, because you get it done faster, and then you get to see the image.
And you get to start a new one.
Mm-hmm.
I have a big one, Freedom, by, I think it's Abraham Hunter. Oh my gosh, that's a beast.
Oh my gosh.
My husband wanted that one. And I bought a few because my husband wanted them. And now I'm like, when he says, oh, that one's nice, you should get that one. I'm like, okay, are you going to do it? And he'll say, no. Okay, we're not getting it. It's huge. He loves landscape. So anything with going down roads, seeing countryside, he wants to get. He's like, oh, that one will be really nice. There's one called Purple Majesty.
Ooh.
Or whatever. I think that's what it's called. He wants that one too. It's a lot of purple. It's very pretty, but it's a big one. And I was like, are you going to do it? No. Okay. We're going to leave it right there on their website. So, yeah, we do have different tastes. I like them too, but I like smaller. So, all right. Do you have any other suggestions, questions, comments for the people?
No, not
Just
really.
take your time, enjoy the process, right?
Yeah.
Don't rush for anybody. Take your time and enjoy the process. But most importantly,